Hello, crypto world. Welcome to the Chart Historian. My name is Justin, and on this channel, I delve deep into crypto charts, exploring chart structures, fractals, and patterns. Well, I have the XRP chart open, and I wanted to give just a quick little update on where I see the chart going. So in my previous video, I narrowed it down to, out of the 3 different options that I presented in the video before the previous video, I narrowed it down to option 2, and option 2 was where it would potentially go sideways before moving down. Well, let's see how that is playing out in regards to that 2019/20 fractal that this greater structure has been following. Now, mind you, this has been adjusted to today's timing, height, and depth. So here is that fractal. Now I'm on a 30-minute candle, so this is zoomed in quite a bit. As you can see, it has been going sideways, and it has been roughly following the basic outline of this structure. So in today's chart, for instance, this peaked before this one did back in 2019/20. And right here, there are some possibilities. So let's say that okay, here's the thing. This is happening so fast, it makes me question whether this is something actually the same thing playing out just on a larger scale. So if that is the case, we might see it drop and then do this bounce and then do this bigger bounce before the decline. However, right now, I don't have any solid proof of that. So here, if you go by the strict kind of interpretation of what this fractal is doing, you see that it has declined. There's this bounce. It's not a very big bounce, but it's a bounce. And now potentially it is doing this larger bounce before the move down. So that is a possibility. Another possibility is that this here is this larger bounce, and it will decline here and then begin this bigger bounce that leads into the decline. So be open to how this plays out, but so far things do appear to be following this structure, and we do appear to be approaching this potential downward move. Now, I don't know how deep this will go. Historically, this move down, let's put it on a 2-hour candle. So historically, so this is that fractal so far. This is, of course, it's been adjusted to meet today's timing, height, and depth. I've warned about this move up before it happened. I warned that people would be shouting bull run when this did happen, and I warned that this would also have a decline from the move up, and this is at play, folks. So historically speaking, this decline goes somewhere near to where the move up began. However, in this case, this exact fractal we're following, this time around, it went actually below this move up. Now, that is not to say that that is what is going to happen this time. Every time a fractal repeats, the timing, height, and depth, they're always going to be unique or original, so there is the possibility it could not drop hardly at all. My point is, at this point, we don't know the depth of this fall. Be prepared. It could potentially go lower than this. However, historically speaking, if we're going to go by what history has told us, this fractal has played out many times in the past. It usually goes around the beginning of the move up. Well, I hope this video has been helpful. If you found it helpful, it'd be much appreciated if you hit that thumbs up button. You know, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. But if you do like this type of technical analysis, I recommend you hit that subscribe button. You know, this is original technical analysis. This is a system I have discovered. It takes the chart structure and fractals, and it goes much deeper than most technical analysts go. So it's not something you're going to find anywhere else. XRP has been following the macro structure, and as you can see, it's when you adjust it for the timing, height, and depth, the roadmap is pretty spot on so far. From here, we go into the third fractal of this range-bound time, and then that leads into the bull run, folks. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you catch my next one. Have a great day, and bye for now.